Dear viewer and subscriber, I am Engineer Bashar. Welcome my channel at last automation BD. ফ্রেন্ড, আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে মিশুবিশি পিএলসি ধারাবাহিক টিউটোরিয়ালের আজকে আমি একটি খুবই ইন্টারেস্টিং একটা প্রোগ্রাম দেখাবো। RCR রোটেশন রাইট উইথ ক্যারি। রোটেশন রাইট উইথ ক্যারি, কীভাবে ক্যারি প্লাগ ক্যারি রোটেশন করবেন এবং কিভাবে রাইট করবেন, ডাটা রোটেশন কিভাবে লেফট করবেন সেটা দেখাবো প্রোগ্রামিং মাধ্যমে। RCR কন্টিনিউয়াস অপারেশন দেখাবো, তারপর ফালস অপারেশন দেখাবো, ফালস সিগন্যাল অপারেশন দেখাবো। তারপর দেখেন ফ্রেন্ড, RCRP data register 16 bit data register and number of the bit কত বিট আপনি ইউজ করবেন সেটা। ফ্রেন্ড দেখেন, ডাটা রোটেশন রাইটলি ডাটা রোটেশন করতেছে। অ্যান্ড ক্যারি প্লাগ হলো 1, ক্যারি প্লাগ 1 carry plug and carry plug 1 data rotation right with carry plug and data RCL data rotation left with carry. Data rotation left data rotation left before execution and after execution. Left data rotation carry is the 0 is the carry plug. Friend, go to the PLC programming. Firstly, friend, please subscribe my channel at last automation video and active the bell icon. Dear friends, my channel have 200 industrial PLC programming and industrial equipment run test video. Please visit my channel and active the subscribe my channel and active the bell icon. Dear friend, go to the Mitsubishi Plc software GX Worker 2 and firstly go to the open contact X0 is the open contact and application instruction RCR data rotation right with carry plug. D0 is the data register and K10 is the bit number. Okay, K10 is the bit number. And another open contact address X1 and go to the application instruction and RCL data rotation left with carry plug. D2 is the data register, D2 data register and K10 is the bit number. Friend, compile this program and open a start and stop simulation. This function is a continuous operation, continuously work data rotation left with carry plug and data rotation right in carry plug and left in carry plug. Okay, and modify value, and buffer memory. Device buffer memory D0, D0. Firstly, uh, firstly, data register D0 value 32,700. Set, and D2 value 64, 64 value 64, and open switch, uh, switch close, X0 on, continuous operation, continuous operation, and on, continuous operation, continuous operation. Friend, see, data D0 is the data rotation right, data rotation right, with carry flag, and D2 is the data rotation left with carry flag. Carry flag. It is a continuous operation, friend, continuous operation. Continuous operation, continuous operation. Now I write program RCLP, only positive false signal operation, only positive false signal operation. Rising it is a, like rising it is a, and stop, start simulation, stop, and edit option, and write mode, ladder write mode, and P, P. Okay, friend, compile this program and start stop simulation. Device buffer memory, and modify value. Firstly, D0 value 32,600. Okay, set, and D2 value set 64, set, and X0 on, X0, X2 on. Device buffer memory, data rotation, right, rightly data rotation, and lefty data rotation, lefty 512, and minus 21,473, and again off, on, uh, 475 with carry flag, 475, and off, on, off, on, carry flag, off, x0 minus minus uh, 2813 of data rotation right with carry flag off on minus off on minus 352 off on minus sorry uh, 20,543 data rotation right with carry flag it is 32-bit operation. Now I program 16-bit operation. Friend, data rotation right operation right carry flag 1 1 and left operation off on off on 4100 off on off on off on off on data rotation left with carry flag off on. Friends, D2 is the left rotation carry flag with carry flag off on off on input command off on and rotation left with carry operation and rotation left 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 is the and 0 is the carry flag before shift carry flag. This 1 is the before shift carry flag and before shift carry flag. 0 is the carry flag. And dear friend, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel Atlas Automation PD and active the bell icon